Hi, I'm Shalev Amar from your Arizona Lemon Law Advocates at Amar Law Group. What I'd like to talk to you about in today's video is, are you covered if you bought a used vehicle? Well, the answer is it depends. So we'll get into that in a bit. A little bit about my background. Been handling lemon law cases since 2004. Thousands of cases at this point. Between my current and past firms, and used to be the managing partner of a previous lemon law firm for 12 years, then went out on my own. Now we have a group of attorneys and amazing support staff to handle as many lemon law cases as come in the door, and we're always here to help people out of court. We don't even charge people. Our representation out of court is free of charge because the lemon law entitles people to recover attorney's fees from the vehicle's manufacturer. So let's get into today's question. Some people wonder, okay, well, I bought a used vehicle. Does the lemon law help me? Well, here's how you have to look at it. The answer is that if you bought a used vehicle and it's under 2 years, 24,000 miles since the vehicle was put into service, since it had 0 miles and was originally purchased, then arguably you would still have lemon law coverage. Now, it is a bit of a gray area because the law is not 100% specific on whether a vehicle to be covered by the lemon law has to be brand new. When it comes to the warranty enforcement provisions of the lemon law, which again apply to the first 2 years, 24,000 miles. But we believe that because the lemon law is a consumer protection statute, it should be interpreted in favor of consumers, in favor of coverage. It shouldn't be interpreted in a restrictive manner. So let's say you buy a vehicle that has 12,000 miles and has been in service for a year. We believe that once you purchase that vehicle, you would still have another year and another 12,000 miles of lemon law coverage. With that being said, any repairs that happened before you bought the vehicle, you don't get into that because you didn't own the vehicle. So those repairs did not apply to you. So that's one way that you're covered under the lemon law. Again, if you purchase a used vehicle, even if it's not new, as long as you're under 2 years, 24,000 miles, the earlier of the two, because that's the lemon law period, and you have too many repairs or too much time in the repair shop in that period, then you would still have lemon law rights the way we interpret the law. And we believe that's the correct way, and it's based on years and years of experience handling many of these cases. There's actually another part of the lemon law, very specific used car provision, and that applies to a car even if it's out of warranty. And what that is it's called the 15-day, 500-mile implied warranty of merchantability. And here's what that means. So let's say you buy a vehicle out of warranty. Let's say it's a 2010 vehicle. It has no manufacturer's warranty. Now, it might have an extended warranty, but that's basically treated as insurance. That's not covered by the state lemon law. Despite not having a warranty, there is that 15-day, 500-mile implied warranty of merchantability. And what that means is within the first 15 days or 500 miles of purchase, the earlier of the two, if you have a repair issue, even if there's no warranty, the dealer that sold you the vehicle has to do the repair at no more than $25 per repair. And so if they charge you more than that, then they are violating the implied warranty of merchantability. So that's a coverage. It's very limited coverage, but that's coverage that you have if you have an older used vehicle that's not covered by the part of the lemon law that's the warranty enforcement and protection part of the statute. So hope that answers whether you're covered if you have a used vehicle, whether you have lemon law rights. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us. Our website is ArizonaLemonLawAdvocates.com, and our phone number is 480-237-2744. Remember, if your car's not up to par, call Omar.